Jambul region, secondary school named after Әбдірахман Әйтиев. English teacher Ділдабаева Аида. Theme of the lesson, CLIL.Physical Education, Rules of a Game, page number 65. Aims of the lesson. Learn vocabulary for talking about the rules of a game. Read a text about basketball game. Practice talking about the rules of a game. Lesson objectives. All learners will be able to identify the new words and use them as the basis for discussion. Demonstrate knowledge for usage of the structures. There is, there are, lots of, a lot of, some, much, many, and present simple to speak about the game. Most learners will be able to select, compile, and synthesize information for an oral presentation. Provide a point of view in conversations and discussions. Speak about basketball. Some learners will be able to make a presentation about a game of basketball and after respond to and discuss the reading passage using interpretive, evaluative, and creative thinking skills. Make a presentation about a game. Cross-curricular links, science, sport, geography, history. Previous learning, talking about Almaty Marathon. Plan. The lesson greeting. The teacher sets the lesson objectives, letting students know what to anticipate from the lesson. Warm up. Then to create a positive learning environment, the teacher asks students to start the lesson giving each other compliments about appearance, job performance, talent, etc., and also practice accepting compliments. Example: Hello, my friend. You speak English very well. That's very nice of you to say so. The class is divided into 4 groups with pictures of the ball, basketball, baseball, volleyball, football. Pre-learning. 3 pictures and 1 words. Learners should guess the topic of the lesson by looking at the 3 pictures. Learners work in group of 3 or 4. Brainstorm the ideas about the pictures on the slide. They try to find one common topic for all 3 pictures. Ring, netting, ball. It's basketball. In this method, I open a new topic of the lesson. Before starting to listen, learners try to guess meaning of new words. Catch, pass, bounce, kick, shoot, score, throw, team, cut, baskets. Learners work in group of 3 or 4. Match the meaning of the words using dictionaries or the internet. Then they compare their answers with other group and check as a whole class. Descriptive for the task 1. Match the verbs in the box with actions from 1 to 7. Learners work in group should match the words in the box with actions from 1 to 7. Catch, pass, bounce, kick, shoot, score, throw. Members of the groups assess and compare their answers with another group. At the end of the task, groups assess each other using the method SMILES. Descriptive for the task 2. Listen the text, translate the text. The class is divided into 3 groups. First group will speak about general information about basketball. Second group, aims of the game. Third group, rules of the game. At the end of the task, groups assess the group by the 3-clap method. Descriptive for the task 3. Write 3 rules. Use the verbs in the exercise 1. Football, volleyball, handball, rugby. The class is divided into 4 groups. First group speak about of the rules of football. Second group speak about of the rules of volleyball. Third group speak about of the rules of handball. Fourth group speak about of the rules of rugby. At the end of the task, the groups are assessed among themselves according to the 5-star method. Giving the home task. Descriptive for the home task. Read the text again. Answer the questions. Ending the lesson. Students express their attitude to the lesson and give self-assessment using the method 6 thinking hats. White hats, objective. Blue hat is progress. Green hat is creative. Yellow hat is positive. Black hat is negative. Red hat is intuitive. Green. How can you use today's learning in different subjects? Red. How do you feel about your work today? White. What have you learned today? Black. What were the weaknesses of your work? Blue. How much progress have you made in this lesson? No, I can. I still need to work on. I've improved in. Today I learned. Yellow. What did you like about today's lesson? Thanks for your attention. Have a nice day.